Hello and welcome to LASA Africa. Today we'll be installing our TV stand floor. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For our first step, we'll be taking our rubber feet and attaching it to the base. For our next step, we'll be needing one part A from earlier, our part B, 3 parts K, 3 parts L, 3 parts I, and O, our Allen key. Let's go ahead and assemble now. Our part K, L, and I. For our next step, we'll be taking our part C and 4 parts J as well as our Allen key. Let's assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing one part E, as well as 4 parts L and 4 parts M. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing parts D and 2 parts N screws, as well as a Phillips screwdriver will be required for the next few steps. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For the next few steps, you will be required to use part F as well as the many various bolts and adapters as well as spacers necessary for your TV requirements. Please refer to your manual for installing on your TV and using the corrective bolts and spacers. We're going to skip ahead and show you how to assemble it onto the main assembly, parts F, as well as locking with parts G. Thank you so much for watching our product assembly video of our TV stand floor. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assemblies and reviews. Thank you.